whirlpool dishwasher. Water's still there, so we're going to see why she's not draining. All right. Not draining, guys. Yep. Yep. A lot of pressure, guys. You know what that is? I'll show you what it is shortly. Here we have a drain. And of course, it's the screws on the other side. So that is called a knockout. When you buy your disposer and it's brand new, it comes like that just in case if you don't have a dishwasher, then you would not remove it. If you do have a dishwasher, it must be knocked out. So you want to do that before you actually install the dishwasher. Makes it a lot easier. To knock it out, you get a flat blade screwdriver with a hammer or a punch, and you just hit it. You do the same way if it was installed or not, but it is a lot easier before you install it. So make sure you check that. Now she's draining. All right, guys, so all is good. It is draining nicely. Thanks for watching.